ask both of our panelists for their key takeaways or their final thoughts. Mindy, you led us off this afternoon. Perhaps you want to be the first to close us out with a few of your key takeaways.
Sure. I think the key takeaway that was in both of our presentations is if it's not in the claim file, there will be a belief, widely held belief that it didn't happen. So documenting the claim file is very, very important. One thing I didn't mention in my talk that I did want to end with is financial issues of either the claimant or the insured during the pendency of a claim. If you're a plaintiff lawyer and you're an attendee, if you intend to later claim in a bad faith claim that your client suffered financial distress because of the length of time it took, an undue length of time it took to handle the claim and resolve the claim, then you should be documenting that with the insurance company. The insurance company can't just assume that you may be going through a hard time because of it. And the fact that there is no documentation, it's the reverse. It also suggests it didn't happen. And in fact, I know that there's a lot of state law about advances. Advances are rarely given, generally in first-party claims, for undisputed damages, and for particular unique situations, crises that the claimant may or the insured may be undergoing. And state law, in fact, in most places says you can't claim that the insurance company acted wrongly or unreasonably in offering an advance if you never requested an advance. So the same thing goes for both sides. Document your claim or your or in as I said in the claim file what the various strategies and defenses are to the claim.
Thank you so much, Mindy. Michelle, some key takeaways from yourself as well, please.
Sure. Okay. So I guess from my presentation, I just wanted to, hammer home to use the tools available to you if you're an insurance adjuster to evaluate the claim. That includes recorded statements and taking a good recorded statement, sending a claim out for an examination under oath if necessary, and thoroughly reviewing your reports from your experts and independent adjusters. And then I also wanted to just point out that you should be thinking about on every claim you're handling the elements that I've set forth. Am I investigating timely and thoroughly? Am I communicating thoroughly? Am I documenting the claim file with the communications? How is my coverage evaluation for all coverages under the policy, including additional coverages? Like I said, do not overlook the additional coverage for either landscape, debris, or collapse coverage. Also, don't overlook sublimits that are in policies. You may be dealing in multiple states and handling multiple different types of policies, and you're going to want to check the endorsements and your sublimits and know, in which states can you apply a particular endorsement, because every state, has sometime interpreted that particular endorsement that insurance companies may use in multiple states in a different way. Are you paying claims timely? Are you paying the undisputed amount in a timely manner? Are you appropriately applying the deductible? And are you documenting so it's very clear on what you're paying for and what's outstanding? And then are you documenting your claim file with management involvement or talking to your supervisor if there are issues that arise that are either beyond your authority level or the claim is becoming a little more complex?